While Sikkim DIG range and spokespersons of the police department, Parveen Gurung tenders apology on behalf of the police department, uncovered a rule flaw at Melli checkpost and said it was a bona fide mistake from the police personnel and miscommunication between the police officer. While Sikkim, a Republican party, reject the miscommunication theory of the Sikkim police and demands suspension of the DGP and SHO, several activists, journalists and prominent citizens of the state have alleged that the junior police personnel were made a scapegoat for decision taken by higher officials and saying not going to accept a suspension of the junior cops. Here's a report. Sikkim's DIG range and spokespersons, Police Department Parveen Gurung, tenders an apology on behalf of the police department on COVID-ruled flaw at Melli checkpost and says it was a bona fide mistake from the police personnel and miscommunication between the police officer, but final reports of the case is yet to come, he added. Amid the COVID-19 pandemic, the illegal entry of 5 Siliguri-based persons inside Sikkim to attend a funeral had come under jaws of criticism for DGP favoring his known person for passage through the Melli checkpost without undergoing their test or quarantine, breaching the Disaster Management Act 2005 of government's strict protocols. The illegal entry has drawn as sharp criticism from various sections of the society, from social activists to political party in the state. The Sikkim Police DIG range, Parveen Gurung, briefing the media person on 4th July, Saturday, said DGP has called SHO Melli to allow Gauri Shankar and member from the Melli checkpost, but it is not clear that for entry to or exit from the checkpost. This led to miscommunication and Constable Leaf allowed the vehicle to enter Sikkim in lack of proper understanding.
Sometimes we have to consider the humanitarian angle also. Somebody's father has died and he desperately wants to go out of Sikkim. He wanted to do the screening. That's why he asked, where are you coming from? Then he proceeded towards that camp. But he waited there. He reported to his surveillance officer, Dr. Gyatso, and surveillance officer informed him. Because we have to take concurrence from the other side of the state also.
The DIG also played out the telephonic conversation between the DGP Sikkim and SHO Melli checkpost and SHO and the constable.
I will deal with only the execution portion. What prompted DG to give order to SHO? I have no idea, and it has not revealed. Who requested? Gauri Shankar आफै request गरे कि Gauri Shankar ले कसैको request गर्यो. That is a matter of investigation and is being actively investigated. So I can't comment.
The DGP claimed that there has been an anti-social elements throwing allegations of nepotism under the high-handedness and appealed the people of Sikkim to cooperate in the investigation of the matter.
This part of the question will be taken over by the higher authorities. उसको लागि म competent छैन. I cannot comment on my boss, the DGP को.
When asked about the Chief Minister's P.S. Gole earlier statement on anyone trying to enter Sikkim illegally will be slapped with IPC Section 307 as an attempt to murder. In reply, the DIG told they have not received any written order from the CM on the same. However, the Chief Minister has already ordered an investigation and details will be provided soon, he asserted. The illegal entry of the said 5-person came to light following one viral post in Facebook where incidents of nepotism and high-handedness was narrated last week. 2 duty personnel were reportedly suspended for their act as per Sikkim Police Service Rule and Conduct. A day after the 2 police constables were suspended following the furor on the illegal entry of the 5 individuals from the Melli checkpost in Sikkim on July 1, several activists, journalists and prominent citizens of the state have alleged that the junior police personnel were made a scapegoat for decision taken by higher officers. However, Sikkim Police Department has revoked suspension of the 2 duty persons. With Deepa Gurung, Gangtok.